Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francine. If you are new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review on this beautiful Outre Melted Hairline collection unit in Arlissa. I mean, this wig basically speaks for itself. I mean, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. This is your perfect everyday wig. If you don't want to do too much, you can wear it glueless. I did the glue down method, which you guys will see in the video. If you do like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this wig, and don't forget to put the notification bell on. Okay, so let's just get right into the installation of this wig. So this unit comes in various colors, as you can see by the index card. I obviously have a 1. This is a 2x5-inch lace. There's a good amount of lace there that you can use if you actually go in and were to lay it down. It comes with the strap at the back and 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 on the back. It also has an extra elastic band so that you can wear this glueless if you wish. And if you're a left side part girl, this unit is perfect for you. Like myself, I love my right sweep. So I'm just going in to add some foundation to the lace just to make sure that it blends in well with my skin tone. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to do the installation. Now, keep in mind that you can pretty much use whatever your method is to customize the wig according to your liking. I'm going to go in and I'm going to tweeze a bit of the hairline because it's a little bit too full. So, I mean, it already comes with baby hairs as well too, but you can also cut some more just so that you have a bit of baby hair to lay down to conceal the lace. But keep watching and enjoy. Okay, I love the color. So this is the color 1. I could have done a better job tacking this down, but because I was rushing, I couldn't do the meltdown just for transparency. But you can see the parts that I actually got to glue. I used my spray. It's tacked down properly, but the sides, I didn't do them so well. When I have more time in the future, I will do a better job. But just to show you, like, get into this lace. Like, you can't go wrong. Like, you can't go wrong. I just want you guys to see how beautiful this is. The wig, so the hair is not yucky and it's not silky. It's a mixture in between. The curls, natural bounce. This is what it looks like at the back. I'm a left part girl and I like to sweep my bangs to the right. So thank you so much, Outre, for hooking up the left part girls. But I don't know what I can say about this. I don't know what else to say about this. It is big head friendly. My hair, I don't have a headache. Doesn't feel tight. And I placed the straps on like as close as possible just to give me as much to make sure it adheres well. So, I mean, the wig is beautiful. If you're a woman on the go and you don't have time to style your hair, but you still want to look cute and you still want to look, you know, this is the wig for you. I mean, you can't go wrong. Like, it has me feeling all types of ways, honey. Get into this. And I'm not big on baby hairs. I mean, if you want to, it does come with baby hairs as well. So you can do the sweep to the dupe that you like, whatever your desire is. I mean, I don't really like the baby hairs too much, but I know it's there to conceal the lace somewhat. But the way that it is right now, I'm comfortable with it. Again, I said that the lace is just really nice. Like, look at that. Just look at that. And what I did was I went in with my powder afterwards and a bit of concealer, and I kind of sharpened that that part in space to just make it look as natural as possible. But again, you can't go wrong buying this unit. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. It is just divine. Like I said, if you are a woman on the go and you don't really have time to do too much, this is the wig for you. This is one of my favorite wigs, and I'm so happy for this purchase. I just feel so Olivia Pope-ish with this. Put this on with a nice suit and you're good to go. I personally like synthetic wigs because they're low maintenance, but I do like synthetic wigs that are long lasting. I ran my finger through it and I'm not really getting any shedding. They're shedding because I had cut the lace, but other than that, I run my finger through it and there are no knots or anything like that. I don't see the back getting all, you know, knotted up or anything like that. So I think this is one that you can have in your arsenal for a long time. So yes, let me know what you think about this unit and if you plan on buying it. All right. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. And again, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload another video. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay safe, and God bless. Bye. Hey guys, so I just want to give you guys an update. So after I filmed, I went in again and I used my spray and I tacked down the sides and secure it because I was going out and I didn't want to be embarrassed on the street. But I just want to I want to assure you guys that the lace is just impeccable on this synthetic unit. All right.